Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today you could see a small gap down in the market. So all the SL has been hunt and the zone would have been over. This is the performance from 9296 as you could see, and the percentage change due to these stocks. Okay, we'll check for Bank Nifty. So you could see only the first three banks were performing positive, others were negative. That's why it's a gap down. And all the major banks are doing its profit booking of their Q2 results. Okay, when you check all, it will give you an hint of whether still market is in uptrend or not. So you could see it is still continuing in the uptrend. Now we'll check for today's stocks performance. Okay, so these ads are really. So you could see Nifty, Reliance, ICS and NTPC was the reason to go up, or at least the close was good. For Bank Nifty, just the Canara Bank, and for Midcap, you could see AB Capital, MFSL and Persistence. I'll check for holidays on 5th. Stock results for 31st. So all these beautiful stocks are going to have their results. So Midcap next might have a very good rally, but not Nifty. Okay, so here for 31st we have NBS. Some China related news, not so relevant. You can check the data here. Okay, for November 1st week we don't have any news. So I'm not premium. We'll check in the free version for 30th. So this is the FII data. For today they are bearish, bullish with options and bearish with the stocks. But when you check for overall, so sellers are more than buyers. So again you could see profit booking. And then here resistance is definitely more than support, so has the chance to go down, and here buyers are more than sellers. Okay, so this is the neutral observation. We'll move on to the OI option chain. Okay, first one is Nifty. Here we'll check the option chain first. So you could clearly see here, so the straddle point is at 900. 1600 is strong, standing as a strong resistance. The immediate support is 800. Okay, this is the overall range, but when you check for when you check for change, so let me just try to reduce the size. Yeah. Okay, so this is enough. Okay, so here you could see today clearly 26,000 the call writers have been added in 900 as well. Okay, now we'll go and check for BNF. Here you could see the BNF added at 500, 300 and 200, and the support is just 800. Okay, when you check overall, straddle points are at every 500 counts. Okay, now we'll move on. Maybe we should increase the limit so that we can get our overall idea. Okay, so 15 is good. We'll check for Midcap. So Midcap, this is overall, and then every 100 count as an equal build-up. So you could see as of now 300, 400 and 500 is being standing as the straddle point for this month. So price action is going to be here. When you see the change today, the straddle was at 500. So pretty simple. Now we'll move on to the price action. So we'll start discussing with Nifty. So yeah, November 1st week and October last week, it's a merger here for week 5, so I'll keep as both week 5/week 1 because November has already started here. Okay, so we'll do a basic analysis. So this should be 1 to 5. We'll see. Okay, So yeah, pretty easy. So till now for this week, when you observe for 2 days, it is still sideways. Week 4 till week 5 is pretty sideways, and you could see resistance at 100 and support at 600, mapping to 500 points SL. Now we have BNF again being sideways here, and the last one is Midcap Nifty trying to be in uptrend. So clearly you could see it is marking new highs. So yeah, 500 is going to be the new resistance for Midcap. So that's it guys, thank you.